In this video, I will show you how to connect Instagram with Facebook. To do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Instagram app. After you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at my site profile. After you open your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the site, this menu. After you open your menu, all you have to do now, tap on this account center. Under this account center, tap on this profiles, this one. Go to this add account. In this section, all you have to do now, tap on this add Facebook account. Under this, all you have to do now, it will detect some Facebook account on your Facebook on your phone. So if it is the Facebook account that you want to add in this one, so just tap on this continue. If it is not the Facebook account that you want to add to your Instagram, just tap on this not you. Tap on this use different account. So now it will allow you now to type in login information for the Facebook account that you want to add or you want to connect to your Facebook to your Instagram. So I'll go ahead now and type in my login information. After you type your login information, all you have to do, tap on this login button. So as you can see, here is the Facebook account that I want to connect to my Instagram. So tap on this continue as. So tap on this continue. Tap on this yes, finish. So as you can see now, I connect my Instagram account with my Facebook account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.